Hey everyone, Saeed here. Today we will solve this problem from PicoCTF. It's called SSTI1. Problem description is I made a cool website where you can announce whatever you want. Additional details will be available after launching the challenge instance. Okay. This is the website that we have. There is an input box. Let me just enter something. Let me enter my name itself. Okay, whatever you are entering is getting rendered. Okay, it's also executing cross-site scripting, but this problem is related to SSTI because the name itself it says SSTI means server-side template injection. Currently I'm running Burp Suite in background. Let's proxy this site through Burp Suite. I got the request in my burp. Let's try something again. So this is the post request and this is the announcement. Let me send it to repeater. So whatever you are posting, it's getting reflected in the page. This problem is related to server-side template injection. Now I will go to my browser and search for SSTI checklists. So we have this wonderful resource from Portsfigure where they have explained everything what server-side template injection is. And this is a simple diagram they have provided through which we can test for server-side template injection. This is a simple payload for server-side template injection. I will insert this payload, include p into string. This is the same payload but with different values. Nothing happened. That means we have to test for this one. If it got evaluated, we would have proceeded to this test case. They have used 7, but I will use 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, it got evaluated. Next, we will try this payload. So we got 333. So there you can see it says first it will return 49 because 7 into 7 is 49 in tweak. Then this will print 7 in Jinja 2. The template is either Jinja 2 or Twig. Next we will look for SSTI payloads. So there is a lot of SSTI payloads. We can try all of them, but I will only try the important payloads. For example, this payload, it will try to figure out or find out the underlying configuration. Next we will try this, and what this payload will do is it will help us to understand class inheritance hierarchy. So it's important to find the root object classes. Now we will enumerate the subclasses. It's important to find the subclasses because we can abuse one of these subclasses to get our flag. Subprocess.popen is one of those dangerous subclasses. Let's see if we have access to it or not. We do have access to it and we can use it to get our flag. These all are HTML encoded and it's not looking proper, so I will go to my browser, copy it from my browser. Okay, I'll copy everything, I'll paste it inside this text file. The next thing is we have to find out the index of this subprocess. For that I have created a script. This script is really simple. First it reads the file, stores the content of the file in this content variable. This part basically cleans up the data or cleans up the content. It removes the square brackets, then split them by commas and removes the extra white spaces and creates a clean list. Then we are using enumerate function on this items list. Then it returns a pair of values, index and the value. Then you are using if condition to search for this subprocess.popen string on this item. If it's found, then it will simply print the index, and if it's not found, then it will print not found. We got the index of the subprocess. Now we will use this payload to achieve remote code execution. As you can see, I have added the index of the subprocess subclass, and this is the lsla command to list down the files and directories. Then it will standard output, and and this communicate method will read the process output. Let's copy it, paste it here, URL and code, send, and you got the files and directories which are present. You can see here there is a flag file. Now let's try to read the content of this flag file. You can see we got our flag.